back into the world. Oh, it's bright outside. Speaks fluent French. They can't hide from me. 29. Diagnosed as an alcoholic. Jesus. Medical experiment volunteer. And what'd that say? Member of, I don't even know. Profile people for potential crimes near my hideout. Okay. Attends acupuncture treatment. That's pretty terrible. Sorry. Foster parent. Speaks fluent French. Oh, we're totally hacking her shit. Potential crime. Dude, what's the matter? Oh, I'm intrigued. She ruined me. She won't get away with it. Don't get crazy. Calm down. Uh-oh. I'm going. Oh, balls. Yeah. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Sorry, guys. Excuse me. Uh, well, I'm sad my car's not here. I guess we'll snag this real quick then. Sit. It looks like I'm just, Sorry, man. My bad. Uh, I'm intrigued as to how scanning that chick. God, the rumbles in this is weird. Sorry. How scanning that chick gave me this carefully and don't. How's he gonna spot me? The dude doesn't know me. I mean, I get it's a tutorial, but still. All right, crime detection. Detects potential crime. Reach the area. Press X to identify the potential victim or criminal. Don't get detected. This is a big one. Wait for the warning to intervene. Catch the criminal without killing him for greater reputation reward. All right. Let's do this. Phone reported stolen. All right. We're almost there. I think we're close. Potential victim, 22%. Tail the potential victim. Okay. Can do. Patient sculptor. Summer camp counselor. Oh. Okay. Hey. Push what? Punish his pet dog with. That's scary. Alright, so obviously I think I have to find another one. They want me to complete one, I think. Anti-immigration, probably. Oh. Okay. Alright. I'm not going over there, am I? Fair point. Sunshine and buttercups. Yeah. All right, car on demand. Open your smartphone, select car on demand app. Unlock vehicles by purchase by driving them or by hacking civilians. Purchase vehicles directly. Not available during missions. Or I could just steal this car. Yeah. Or I could just steal it. So, oh, I guess I'm heading towards that big green icon up there. This map's actually pretty freaking big. That's a nice ass car. Now I can just learn to drive. That'd be useful. Vroom vroom. Move. Excuse me. Move. I will run you down. Or I could stay on the main street. It's probably easier. Explore the city. This is what, Chicago? I believe so, or at least the interpretation of Chicago. Woo! Woo! Vroom, vroom. Could turn the traffic lights, but that just seems like a waste. But man, this car's fast. And man, does it feel... I actually bottomed out there. That's cool. Like I said, it feels weird that the impulse triggers actually work. Ow. I don't need no approval. Does anybody just, like, that's just really cool. Runs a puppy mill. It's terrible. Start mission. Let's start the mission. Nope. Ah, damn it. I didn't want to get in the car. There we go. Might as well do some missions. Since you guys are watching this, I might as well actually play the damn game. So. Are we? Oh. Well, dumb to make me drive over to that spot, but then walk over here. Video game enthusiast, 28, nice. Regularly plays bingo, interesting. I really suffers from diabetes. That's terrible. I really like that all this stuff. Denied scholarship request. Conspiracy theorist. This is so much fun. You're all right, Aiden. Come on, we can get through this. Dude, what kind of toy did he get? The fuck is that? Also, the art designs are kind of interesting. The ones on like the one like on his mask and his jacket and the dude's shirt. The kid's shirt's kind of interesting. And late. So my guess is not his daughter, but his niece. Possibly. I'm thinking so. I'm not thinking. I'm not thinking wife. That doesn't make a lot of sense. Interesting. Different from the normal beaten path of dead wife, dead kids. It's still family, but extended family. Interesting. Very interesting. Huh. Dude. Jax, Sons of Anarchy reference. Confirmed. Biker DLC. Oh. Glitch War. Call me fat old man? Huh. This is making me uncomfortable. Your hair is kind of not rendered in the right spot. Yeah, that hair though. Everything else looks really good. Aiden looks pretty good too. It's just they couldn't quite get the hair down on her head. Too much wisp. There's like look at that. That end strand by the right side of her face, right side that we're looking at. It's totally weirding out. Like it doesn't exist. It's like in some interdimension of where hair does and does not exist. Fucking weird. All right, head inside Nikki's house. Monologuing. See, Aiden looks okay. Game, actually looks pretty similar. Amateur choir. That's a word I can't pronounce. Huh. In treatment for PTSD. That's okay. I gotta admit, it's kind of creepy that it's works on the family members. Huh. Huh. Can I kick this basketball? I can. Okay. That's cool. I can kick the basketball. That's pretty nice. Let's go talk to the boy. I kind of want to hack the phone call. Is that bad of me? Oh. All right. Well, now I'm gonna kill this guy. Okay. Nope. We're gonna kill him. The last time you helped, bad things happened. Well, fix your fucking pixely hair. Wow, that was kind of rough. Sorry, buddy. I guess I ruined lives, supposedly. And your mom's hair really is freaking me the fuck out. Oh man. Mini game. Nope. Just located. Shitballs. Car. Of course he's on the move. Oh man. Oh man. Ugh. Goddamn. Drive, drive, drive. Urgh. Urgh. Whoa. Alright, I'm on him. I'm on him. Should I just like ram him? Well, that sure as hell did it. Ow. Why are you shooting at me, bro? I'd like to shoot you in the knee, please. Damn, this guy's an ass. Can reload while running. Alright, so we're gonna chase this guy away. I don't want to kill him. There we go. Oops, homicide committed. I didn't want to kill him. Dude made me. Huh. So it was. Yep. And I shot him dead.